Okay, they start out as panels. Go to barrels. You put your molding on, your base plate. This is the way your roof looks to start with. This. To the finish. And soon we're going to have other crafts coming. Different types of keepsake items, Christmas treasures. And this is where we build everything. This is our workshop.